Hey guys, so for today naman is nakita nyo to, ang laki-laki ng watermelon. But guess what guys? You'll see when I open this kung ano yung kulay ng watermelon natin. So, ayan, ang laki-laki nito. We got it from somebody who's selling watermelon on the side of the street. They have a lot. So, ayan guys. So, it's a little bit more expensive than the regular one. Kasi nga, it's different. So, let's see kung ano yung laman nito. Ayan guys, it's the yellow watermelon. Yes, so yung isa nito is $12 siya kasi as I was saying nga is mas medyo mahal siya sa regular na red watermelon. So ayan. So let me taste it. Wow. Really sweet. It's really sweet guys. Wow. So first time I ate the yellow watermelon. Well, I guess we have some before, but it's a smaller one. So guys, let me cut them into small pieces. And another one thing I've noticed guys is much more juicier siya sa red one. Ayan oh, nakikita nyo. So I don't know if the video can do justice, pero much juicier siya. Paano ko nasasabi? Kasi I cut watermelon every time. Tapos, juicy yung red, pero this is much juicier. So, nakikita niyo guys. So, yan. And then guys, this is seeded. Hindi siya yung seedless. Which is good because if you guys want to plant something, then this is good because you have seeds. Right? So, ayan. Ano bang tawag dun? Bahala na. Basta yun na yun guys. So, kung gusto nyo magtanim, i-dry nyo lang yung mga buto nito, yung mga seeds. Then, ayun, itanim nyo agad. So, ito guys, parang yung, so, ayan, mas juicy siya dito sa end part. Ayan, siguro kasi, yeah, natatambak yung juice niya dito sa sides. So, kahit yung ganito na yung mga lighter color na siya, hindi na siya, yung yellow talaga, yung yellow part, is may sweetness pa rin siya kasi yung juice niya is naiipon dito sa baba. So, yan.